location. Yeah, we're just gonna fly over some ice and see what we can do with it. There's some pine trees behind us. I figured I haven't really filmed any behind the scenes stuff, so I don't know, I went out to fly. I'm just like, why not set up a camera and just bring you guys along for the ride? So let's try it out. All right, it's on fly, let's do it. Always remember to set your output power of your video. All right, let's do it again. So, just did first flight and my hands are freezing, so we got the heat cranking up. It's probably annoying. Yeah, so we're just gonna warm up. I'll go for another flight. I'm gonna record something for Instagram. So I'm gonna turn my GoPro over, do a little clip for Instagram, and then we're gonna head back and meet up with a buddy of mine, Nick Redmond, and we're gonna do some DJI pictures up over the Portage River in Houghton, and do some pictures for Mount Ripley, which I did a video on Instagram recently at Mount Ripley. So we'll just be going back there to do a little more for them, and yeah, so we'll see you guys soon. Okay, she's set up finally. So now we're just gonna get out there and try to do some more flying. We still got a good amount of sun, but we gotta head over to Ripley after this, so I'll try to make it quick. All right, let's do it.